Hello, hello, how are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I went scavenger. I didn't mean to go scavenger. I really didn't. I just needed envelopes, you know, bubble envelopes. And so we went there. And while I was there, because I picked those up at the warehouse, you know. But while I was there, I grabbed some metal brushes for glue and these glue and paint spreaders, you know, because I like these when I'm doing, you know, my books and stuff. I like to use these instead of my good brushes, and I throw them in the trash and I don't care. And, you know, I get 5 brushes for a couple bucks. So, you know, I grabbed those. The other thing that they had when I was in there was this, and this is Bostik Smart Adhesive Fine and Wide Clear Glue Dual Application Pen Spreader Applicator, blah, 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 30 milliliters. So, you know, I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see how that works, okay? So we're gonna do that. And then, we went, oh, and I had to get shipping tape, so I got a couple rolls of tape. I just can't find my gun, you know? And then we went to the Dollar Tree, and when I was at the Dollar Tree, I grabbed some Cheetos, the crunchy kind, but not the hot ones. I don't like the hot ones, you know? But what else did I get there? Oh, yeah, I got a couple of cutting mats, because I'm going to glue these suckers together and see if I can, you know, I'm going to cut them down and glue them together, see if I can use these to run through my thing, see how that compares to that magic mat, you know? So I have better information for you guys. So I grabbed a couple of those. That's another day's project. And, oh, yeah, this is a new thing they got in my store. Elastic band, which is cool because we needed the elastic because I got that other project I want to try. So I grabbed a couple of those. They had some of the clear stamps in there. They had these bird ones, which were really pretty. So I grabbed the bird ones. Sit, stay. And I took Amy to Hobby Snobby because she needed to get dye, and I got some M&M minis because these are like my favorite. I love these, so I got those. And I needed white pearls, so I found these. And I'll be honest with you, I was a little upset because like every single pack of these had screwed up ones in it. And by screwed up ones, I mean like this one here, where it doesn't have the pearl on it. It's just a white blob. They all had them. And there was like probably 10 or 15 in each one, which I know is not a big percentage, you know, but it's still frustrating. So I grabbed those, and then I saw these, and I don't know why, but I was just really drawn to these. So I grabbed them, and everything from the Paper Studio was half, you know, 40% off or 50% off. And then I got some new little pink flowers because I needed those, and we saw these, and these are really cool. They're like a rose gold color, and I don't have those, so I grabbed those. And then I got these little roses, these little tiny paper roses, and I grabbed those. And then I just wanted this one, the coffee, and it didn't have a price on it, but they're all the same. So I grabbed this one, and by the time I got up there, I decided, yeah, screw it, I'm getting both of them. So I got sepia and coffee, and so I grabbed those. And then, as you guys know, they're having their clearance sale, and they have the Prismacolors on sale. So I grabbed all of the flesh tone ones. Because, yeah, you know, a lot of mine don't really have the flesh tones, and so I grabbed all the flesh tones and the things that I need for shading for flesh tones and stuff. So I grabbed those, and it was like, I don't know, I got 20 of them here, 2, 4, 6, 8, I got 10, okay, so, and they were $1.74, so, you know, $17, $17.40 for 10 Prismacolor markers, you know. So that was a good deal. Sit, stay, Ubu. And then I got this. Now, this is not something that normally, you know, we would have in our toolkit, but I did grab this, and I'm going to do a whole video to explain why I got this, okay, and what you can do with it. So, that was it. I went on a little scavenger. And I bought some socks and some cookies. And some paper. You just can't go to Hobby Lobby and not buy paper, you know what I mean? So I bought some cream colored cardstock, the heavyweight stuff because I needed it for a project, and I was like down to my last 3 sheets, and I bought some single sheet paper for another project that I'm doing. So, yeah, that was everything. That was all I did. I bought stuff. Anyway, that was it. I just thought I'd come on and show you guys what I hauled today because I hauled some stuff. That was it. I went shopping. I went scavenger. But tomorrow, I am taking the Amy and we are going back to Daiso. Yeah, we're going to go to the Daiso because there's some things down there I want to grab. All right, that's it. That's everything I got. Until the next time, stay well. Bye-bye.